Hey everyone, my name is Dylan and this is my wife Molly. We're actually on day 3 of a week-long rental of a mini excavator so that we can clear an area of our property so we can build our dream shop. We have a lot going on. We got all the important stuff done in the last week's video, so now we get to actually have some fun with this thing in a less stressed environment. So let's get after it and have some fun this week.
I usually don't look like this. I got toasted in the last video.
Toasted, we both did.
Roasted.
Roasted.
So this is what I'm working with today.
Well, Molly, another day and another something that's broken around the house. Today's is the hybrid water heater, but thankfully today's sponsor is iFixit, and we have the parts and the tools to go ahead and fix this thing ourselves and save hundreds of dollars. One of my favorite new products from iFixit is their Marlin screwdriver set. Comes with a whole bunch of different sizes for you, and they always have these amazing cases, and it's just super high quality tools that they always sell with everything. So let's take this thing apart and see if we can fix it. All that's broke on this is a $7 part, but this probably would have cost me hundreds of dollars because this is a pretty specialized unit. But all we have to do is unplug this thing, plug a new one in, and we should be good to go. Also, these little spudger tools that come in the iFixit kits are vital for this because this is way down on the bottom and you have to actually press this little clip in to pull it out, and I can't get my fingers on it, so glad I got this one. Out with the old. Yeah, it looks pretty crusty. In with the new. Easier said than done. She's making noises, let's turn her on. Voila! Well, thanks again to iFixit for sponsoring this week's video, saving us a bunch of money. And if you would like to save a bunch of money and fix stuff yourself, you should head over to their website and check out their toolkits as well as their parts and all their guides to fix common items around your home. Our goal for today is to get all 7 or 8 of these trees over here out of the way, which is easier said than done. So I'm not sure how it's gonna go. One of them is the biggest tree of the entire area of the property, so that one's gonna be real interesting. And yeah, let's hop on the machine and get after it. Also, did I mention that we're complete newbies at this, and well, we're just figuring out as we go. So far it's worked out.
Dylan's been on a roll with figuring out how to take these trees down in the most efficient way, going from 2 hours on the first tree to about 18 minutes on the last tree we did in the last video. So he's just getting better and better the more we take down, but we're almost done. I say that, we literally have like 8 or 9 more trees to go.
I know it seems crazy that you have to dig that far, but Molly, you think I dug far enough?
I hope
Let's see if she pushes over. These tap roots on these pines are like a third of the length of the tree. They're pretty crazy.
Come on. It's so close. Oh my gosh. Go, go, go. That's a big root.
Just for size comparison. You know? Kind of crazy. And the wild thing is that it broke off. I didn't even get it to pull up, so there's still more down in there. Just broke off.
Wow.
Yeah, and the one next to it, significantly bigger.
Yeah, that'll be something, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Basically just trying to get the dirt off so it's not as heavy, and so when we put it on the burn pile, it'll burn eventually. It's time to tackle our biggest tree of this entire project, and I don't think he's messing around with the hole he's digging.
I would be lying if I didn't say that this one makes me a little bit nervous. It is really big. It's already leaning a little bit in the wrong direction, and I don't have great access around it. The only thing we have going in our favor right now is the wind. For the first time over the last 2 days, is blowing in the right direction. So, I don't know, it definitely makes me nervous though. I'm gonna take my time, and you help me by keeping an eye on the top of the tree, making sure nothing's wiggling. Well, that took like 3 hours. Where's my tunnel? Wow.
The camera?
Well, do you want a swimming pool? Because we already dug the hole for it.
For real.
Oh my
I don't think the camera can do justice how massive that is.
It's so massive that I'm almost certain we're not getting it out of this hole.
I was thinking about that.
Well, I'm gonna have to break it apart. I mean, good Lord.
Both of our faces when that came out.
The crazy thing is that every other tree broke off. Every single tree we've taken down has broken off. This one refused to break off. Like, I had to dig it so far down that it literally pulled all the way down to the smallest taproots out.
Well, that tree wasn't going nowhere.
Well, and that's a stupid thing. That thing would have blown over in a hurricane and hit someone's house with just 100-mile-an-hour winds or something. And then 14,000 pounds of force, and basically a swimming pool dug around it is what it takes to push it over.
Yeah, I mean, if you want to leave that hole there, I'll take it.
Lord. I mean, good Lord. I was getting real concerned. I was getting real concerned. I was like, we got this thing dug up to where it's real dangerous and it still ain't going over, and I'm at the absolute limit of this machine. It won't dig no more. I've dug down to dig further.
Do you want some lunch?
Yeah, it's 3 o'clock, but lunch would be nice. I remember thinking at like 11 something, I'll just do this one real quick and then we'll go do lunch. Ollie, I think I'm so close to getting this out of the hole. Like, I've been sitting here breaking it apart for a while. I got it dragged up halfway, then it fell back in the hole like 4 times, but...
I will be amazed.
Yeah, I think, well, we're not picking it up. I'm just, we might be getting it out of the hole, just not picking it up.
Bummer! You got it, you got it, you got it!
I mean, dang.
I still don't think it does justice on camera.
Show me how big this hole is over here. I mean, goodness.
That's a pull.
I don't know if I can get back out.
Don't get in it, don't get in it, don't get in.
Show the people the scale.
I mean, I think they get it.
No, it doesn't show up on camera. This is crazy. Alright. Ow!
Wow.
Kind of crazy, huh?
That's a big hole.
That's a real big hole. Take a picture of me in my big hole.
Do not.
Hey,
she was thinking about it. Do not. Luna, you're not going to make it.
You're going to fall in here.
And I can't lift you back out. 1, 2, 3.
Help me out, sister. Give me a paw. Luna, paw. Luna, help me out. Luna, come here. Come here, paw. Hey,
no.
Hey, May-May. You better watch out. There's a big hole, May-May. No fighting up here.
Last one. Oh Lordy, he's moving on to more trees. That was a lot bigger than I thought.
Figured out how to use the radio.
Oh my gosh.
I don't know, it wouldn't work yesterday, it just magically turned on today. Oh. All right, Molly, it's your turn.
Oh gosh.
You excited?
I'm nervous.
Hop up
You're
there.
gonna tell me everything?
I'm gonna tell you everything you need to know. Key?
Yes.
Yep.
All the way.
gonna ask for a passcode. All right, crank her up.
This?
Mm-hmm.
I thought it's been doing it by itself all this time.
Do what?
I thought it was cranked by itself all this time.
Oh. Okay, this handle, this red handle has to go down. I'm just gonna let you feel it out. So turn your power down over there. That see the
This?
yep. Turn it all, put it all the way up.
It's on rabbit.
Yeah, turn it the other way. That'll make everything slower. All right, pull up on that.
This?
Yep.
Pull
Grab
up?
it. Pull up.
Okay.
Okay. Now turn it left to right. Okay. See how it does the bucket? Okay. Now do this one.
What's this do? Oh.
That spins you. Then do it up and down.
This?
The other one.
This?
This one. You only did left and right.
That hurts my brain. Wait, how do I go down?
Okay. So then the other one over there is your blade.
It's not what?
Your blade. This thing.
Oh.
Lift it up. Lift it up. Okay. You always want the blade down when you're digging. That
Okay.
gives you stability. So press it down. Yep. Okay. And it's always gonna lift the most out over the blade. That's giving you the most stability. So if you turn over here with a heavy load, less stability.
Okay.
Now, just try to scoop dirt.
My brain.
Just try to scoop dirt. Yep. Now lift up and put it in the hole. Yep. She picked it up right away. Now I'm probably not gonna get to be on this thing for the rest of the day. She tends to be real nervous when she gets started, and then all of a sudden builds confidence really quickly and doesn't want to stop.
Uh-oh.
Even though the Mini X is fun, I think cutting on trees is as much fun or more fun. We're gonna try to save this oak tree, cut down the large dominant pine tree next to it. Maybe one day this oak tree will provide shade for us. Right now it's a little scrawny, but we're just hoping for the best with this one.
And this is the last pine tree that could potentially hit the house in a storm.
Well, we now have a giant mess behind us that's gonna need to be cleaned up, but that's all we got for this week's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.